Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another CSS video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can apply CSS to input types. So you can see that we have a couple of input types here. We just have a simple form created like this. Now I'm going to show you how we can add CSS to this input and separately to this input. Right, to the button and then to the input text field. Right, so in the in the style sheet. Let's get started. So the way we'll do it is we'll do input, and now we have to specify the type of input. So you can see here we have a text, and here we have a button. So if we do inside of the input, right, we do type. Right, type is equal to, and then if you do text, that means this CSS here will be targeting the input type text. So these two here. And then we're going to have another one. We can do input type is equal to button, and then this CSS will be applied to this button here. Okay, so let's just add some basic CSS, I guess. Let's just set the width to 150 pixels. Right, let's just do let's display in a block. Let's add a bit of a margin to the bottom to space it out. How much will we do? I don't know. Let's do something like 5 pixels is fine. And then let's just change the background color. Background color we'll do to I don't know. Let's do red. Right, now let's see how that looks like. Refresh this, and you can see the CSS only got applied to these input type texts, and I didn't get applied to the button. But now we can add a bit of CSS to our button. So just say we want to make it a bit bigger. So let's just do 150 pixels. Let's add a margin to the left of that of let's do 40 pixels. And then let's just display this in a block as well. So we go display block, save that, go back to our page, and you can see that we only, okay, well that looks terrible. Let's do 20. Ah, Jesus. Let's do 1. Yeah, that's fine. So you can see now this CSS only targeted the button. So this is how we can target individual labels, but actually having an ID associated with them. So that's about it for this video. Hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.